conditions in JavaScript can be negated. So in this particular example, if the score is about 50, we return yes, that's a good score. If not, we return no, that's not a good score, right? But technically speaking, we can add an exclamation mark before the condition. So that will change the order. So that will change the algorithm drastically. Because now if the score is at least 50, because we are negating the condition, in other words, the content inside of the parentheses will be evaluated as truthy, but as we are negating it, we are transforming it from truthy to falsy. So then it will return the otherwise scenario. So that will return no. And however, if the score is very low, the condition will be evaluated as falsy, but because we are negating it, we are transforming falsy into truthy. And then it returns yes, that's a good score. It's very important to note that if we want to negate a condition, we should clearly surround or determine what's the scope of the negation. So, for example, what happens if we don't have the parentheses in place? It looks like the result will be the same, but it won't be the same. So, for example, in this particular scenario, it doesn't work as expected, right? Because 18 is not a good score, but because we are negating it, it should return yes. Why it doesn't work? Because in that particular case, what we are negating is not the entire expression, it's just a score variable. So technically speaking, that's the same as surrounding literally just the score, which is a bit annoying, that's confusing, that's even hard to read, right? That's why, I mean, if you want to negate the expression, please make sure that the entire expression you want to negate is surrounded by parentheses. So now that should clearly return yes, because the entire, first of all, the content in the parentheses will be evaluated, so that should return that should return false, and then we'll negate false, and the result of negating false is obviously true, so then the if statement of the condition will be evaluated, returning yes.